Hi, I'm John Skiba and welcome to the Consumer Warrior YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about whether you can eliminate an SBA loan through a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. But if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, go ahead and click subscribe, check on that little bell. That way you'll be notified each and every week when I put out a new video that'll help you deal with your serious debt problem. All right, let's talk about SBA loans. The SBA, Small Business Association, they give out tons of loans. And in 2020, they actually hit our all-time record for the amount of loans that they gave out throughout the country. We're looking at 9 million loans in 2020 alone, worth over $750 billion with a B, billion dollars. The issue with SBA loans is they're there to help businesses get going, and also businesses that are operating, to inject some capital into them. The issue is if the business fails, and not all businesses survive, obviously, then a lot of people come to me and they're worried about, what am I going to do? I have this giant SBA loan. I don't have any way of paying it. What can I do? The reason people have a lot of anxiety about this is because there's kind of a myth out there that SBA loans do not go away in bankruptcy. And I think it's because the SBA loan, it being a federally backed loan, a lot of people have equated essentially like a student loan or taxes, which often do not go away in bankruptcy. The SBA loans are completely different. In a Chapter 7 case, the SBA loan can be completely discharged. It'll go away 100%. Now, I'm going to put a little asterisk on that. If your loan is secured, if there's some type of collateral attached to it, whether it's your home, land, some other type of property connected to the SBA loan, that's a different story. Chapter 7 is not going to be as good of an option as compared to if you have like an unsecured SBA loan. If your SBA loan has no property or collateral attached to it, you're good. It'll be discharged completely. If it is secured, while technically the note, the promissory note portion of that, the amount of debt that's owed on the SBA loan will go away, their lien remains. And for most practical purposes, that means that even after bankruptcy, they'd be able to either foreclose on the property, or if you sold the home, they'd be able to get paid out of the proceeds, or if you refinanced. And so if it's secured, it's not, bankruptcy is not as good of an option as if it's unsecured. So if you do have a secured debt, then you may want to look into something like an offer and compromise. Often you hear about those when it comes to taxes, but it is possible to put together a proposal to the SBA where you pay less than the amount that's actually owed on it, be able to pay off the loan, get the lien released on the property, and deal with it that way. Here at my office, we do both Chapter 7 bankruptcies and offer and compromises for SBA loans. If you want additional information and you're in the state of Arizona, I'd be happy to talk to you. I do a free consultation on those. I hope that was helpful today. Thanks for watching.